Assalamu alaikum, everyone. Hope you all are fine. The topic today we discuss is introduction of cell wall. First of all, you know about cell. Cell is the basic structural and functional unit of life. Without microscope, you can't see cell. Term cell was derived from Latin word cellula, means hollow space. Cell wall introduction. Plant cell wall differ from outermost boundary of plant cell. Prokaryotes in structure and chemical composition. Thickness of cell wall differ according to cell type. Who introduced the cell wall? The scientist name is Robert Hooke. Function of cell wall. It has following function. Gives definite shape to cell. Material pass through it not act as a barrier. Keeps cell rigid. Note down, my dear, cell wall is non-living. In this picture, you can see. Thank you. Any question you may ask. Allah Hafiz.